So assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are learning about the basic parts of a sewing machine. This is a manual sewing machine. So this is the wheel that carries the needle. You can see when I move it, the needle is moving. Do you see? So this is the reverse. When you are sewing, it moves. When you want to reverse your stitch, you will understand better, but just understand it's called the reverse. It is to secure your stitch when you are sewing. So this is the tension. This place is the tension. It affects the tightness of your sewing. You have to keep it clean always. And this is the needle, you can see, and the presser foot. This is the needle and this is the presser foot. So underneath it, this place is where your bobbin and bobbin case, this is where it goes. So here is the pedal. This pedal controls the wheel. Can you see? So when you are pressing right, it should come forward.